purpose in developing Paco is to redefine audio systems for small to medium-sized performances, to provide the audience with a better listening experience, and to offer better soundstage control for the performers on stage. Fundamentally, the traditional small to medium-sized line array systems have imperfect left and right low and high frequency distribution, making them inadequate solutions, which can cause sound-image separation. Different distances and angles will result in different listening experiences in the same space. Currently, we are using a coaxial structure solution to achieve better sound quality. For Paco, we aim to provide more flexible horizontal angle options in spatial sound field control and to optimize the inconsistency in auditory perception across different horizontal angles. We aim to create a better small to medium-sized performance sound system. Before the development and implementation plan for Paco, we noticed that major international brands are focusing on product research and development in the field of directional audio control. At the same time, we also conducted research on mainstream products in the domestic market. We found that there is a gap in cardioid products and only a few brands have adopted cardioid technology for medium and large systems. However, previous cardioid technology was achieved through multiple DSP channels and multiple amplifier channels. Therefore, we intend to incorporate passive cardioid control technology into our new series of products to address the gap in directional control products in the domestic performance market and contribute our part to this effort. We are the first to pioneer passive cardioid directional technology and apply to the line array system in China. The advantage of passive cardioid directional technology is that it can cancel rearward energy in speakers without needing extra DSP or amplifier channels. It achieves this through the cabinet structure's path design, offering a very high cost-performance ratio for the sound system.
Since its debut at the Get Show in Guangzhou in March, Paco has garnered widespread attention in the domestic performance market. Next, I will introduce its advantages from an application perspective. First, we can immediately see the change in the speaker horn design. This design allows the speaker's mid-high frequencies to be adjustable in the horizontal angle. In typical small to medium-sized performance events, the speakers will be placed on the two sides of the stage, which means they are closer to the walls. This proximity causes excessive mid-high frequency coverage on the walls. The mid-high frequencies then reflects into the audience area, increasing reflected sound in the audience zone, resulting in a loss of sound clarity. The Paco-S is the perfect solution to this problem. It provides a horizontal angle adjustment. By narrowing the high-frequency coverage angle on the side near the wall by 15 degrees inward, it effectively prevents excessive mid-high frequency coverage on the wall without needing any adjustments to the system. This adjustment also increases high-frequency gain. When the coverage angle of a single speaker changes from 90 degrees to 60 degrees, there is a 3 dB increase in high-frequency gain, which compensates well for high-frequency attenuation when covering distant areas. The second new application technology is passive cardioid directionality. During performances, artists usually prefer a clear and clean performing environment without excessive mid-low frequency reflections on the stage. Typically, this involves designing a cardioid low-frequency system, but this can increase both time and material costs. Sometimes, due to venue constraints, it is not feasible to implement a cardioid low-frequency system. Additionally, such systems typically only effectively control low frequencies. Generally, frequencies above 80 Hz are usually not effectively controlled by cardioid low-frequency systems. The Paco-S system is a passive cardioid system for both full-range speakers and subwoofers. It has a difference in mid-low frequency energy between the front and rear of over 10 dB below 200 Hz, which extends noticeably beyond this frequency range. At 120 Hz, there is a difference of up to 16 dB, and the Paco-Sb exhibits a pressure difference of over 10 dB between its front and back. When our speakers are stacked and used in this manner, there is almost no mid-low frequency energy perceived behind the speakers. This creates a perfect performance environment for artists, allowing them to immerse themselves fully in the artistic atmosphere of their creative expression. The Paco-S utilizes a 3-point installation method and is equipped with our independently developed preset angle suspension system. Whether stacked or suspended, this significantly enhances the efficiency of system setup. There are also many single-size line array speakers on the market, so let's take a look at the difference between Paco-S and the same level of single-size line array system. As expected, VA remains dedicated to the professional performance market, focusing on developing more products that meet the needs of performers. We also place great emphasis on user experience, providing comprehensive service support to ensure our products perform to their maximum potential and deliver maximum benefits to users. Stay tuned for more updates from us.